Welcome to Lush Loom. Today, we're exploring the best modular kitchen designs and trending open cabinet colors for 2025. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just looking for inspiration, we've got ideas that blend style, functionality, and elegance. Section 1, Modular Kitchen Layouts. Modular kitchens are all about smart use of space. L-shaped layouts work perfectly for compact homes, offering both storage and workspace efficiency. U-shaped kitchens give you maximum countertop area, while island kitchens create a modern, social hub for cooking and entertaining. At Lush Loom, we focus on custom solutions that match your lifestyle, making sure every drawer, shelf, and cabinet serves a purpose without compromising on aesthetics. Section 2, Open Cabinet Colors. Open cabinets are trending in 2025, and choosing the right color can transform your kitchen's vibe. Soft pastels like mint green or dusty pink add a fresh, airy feel. Neutral shades like cream, beige, and soft gray keep things timeless, while bold colors like navy blue or forest green create a modern statement. At Lush Loom, we recommend combining open and closed cabinets for both style and practicality, keeping your kitchen clutter-free while showcasing your favorite dishes and decor. Section 3, Materials and Finishes. Materials matter as much as design. Matte finishes give a sleek, understated look, while glossy surfaces reflect light and make your kitchen feel bigger. Wooden textures add warmth, and laminated or acrylic panels are perfect for easy cleaning and durability. Lush Loom ensures every surface combines beauty and functionality. Section 4, Smart Storage Solutions. Maximize every inch of your kitchen with smart storage solutions. Pull-out drawers, corner carousels, and hidden compartments make accessing utensils, spices, and appliances effortless. At Lush Loom, we design kitchens that are not only beautiful but also incredibly practical, so everything has its perfect place. Outro. Transform your kitchen into a stylish, modern space with these modular design ideas and open cabinet colors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home interior inspiration.